Good morning children. In previous class we solved exercise 10.1. Now in today's class chapter 10 exercise 10.2 we will solve. Page number is 259. In exercise 10.2 he has given combination of figures like one cylinder is there. If we join one end of the cylinder once like this hemisphere, so it is combination of hemisphere and cylinder. If I join one hemisphere to the other end, it is also good. That means two hemisphere, one cylinder. That become the shape of the capsule. Are you getting my point? Similarly, one cuboid is there. With one cuboid, if I join another cube, one cube. With one cube, if I join another cube, that become a cuboid. Are you getting my point, children? So in this exercise we will solve the area problems only, but combination of figure is there. Combined solid figures are there, in which we'll get two different solid figure or three different solid figures. Clear? Let's see. First question, a toy is in the form of a cone mounted on a hemisphere. The diameter of the base and the height of the cone are 6 cm and 4 cm respectively. Determine the surface area of the toy. He is talking about toy, children. Cone mounted on a hemisphere. That means base is in hemisphere shape. Above the hemisphere, cone is there, mounted. Are you getting my point, children? So this is the shape of a toy. So we are getting two figures here. One is cone and one is hemisphere. So if we find the area of cone and area of hemisphere and add it, then we'll get the surface area of the toy. Clear, children? Now the thing is that whether we should find the curved surface area of cone or total surface area of the cone. When we join hemisphere with cone, see, hemisphere, this is hemisphere, we are joining with cone. So both bases are matching, attached to each other. So only we are getting outer part. That means we need to find the curved surface area of hemisphere and cone. Clear, children? So let's see what information he has given. Diameter he has given. Diameter of the base, that is 6 cm. We don't want diameter, we want radius. So radius formula is d by 2. D is here 6, so 6 by 2. 2 ones 2, 2 3 6. So radius we got 3 cm. And he mentioned height of the cone also, he mentioned 4 cm. So radius of the cone is nothing but radius of the hemisphere. Why? Because both bases are matching, attached to each other. So radius of cone and radius of hemisphere is equal, that is 3 cm. And he has given height of the cone h 4 cm. When we are talking about cone, so definitely we need to find slant height n. The formula is square root of h square plus r square. H is here 4, so 4 square plus r is 3, so 3 square. H square plus r square is 4 square plus 3 square. So square root of 4 square plus 3 square. 4 square is 16, 3 square is 9. So square root of 16 plus 9 is square root of 25. 16 and 9 you add, you will get 25. So square root of 25 is 5 cm. So we got slant height as 5 cm. Now he is asking surface area. SA means surface area of the toy is nothing but curved surface area of hemisphere plus curved surface area of cone. What is the formula for curved surface area of hemisphere? 2 pi r square plus curved surface area of cone is pi rl. Clear, children? So 2 into pi is 22 by 7 into r, we got r he has given 3 centimeter, children. So 3 into 3 because r square he mentioned. So 3 into 3 plus again pi means 22 by 7 into r is 3 into l is 5. Area we measure in square units. Here unit is centimeter, so that's why square centimeter. Clear? 2 into 22 44, 3 into 3 9, 44 into 9 is 396 divided by this 7 plus 3 5 is 15, 15 into 22 is 330, 330 divided by 7. Denominators are same, children, so directly we can add the numerator. 396 plus 330 divided by 7 centimeter square. If we add 396 plus 330, we will get 726. In rough column you add, children, you will get the 726 divided by 7. 726 we need to divide by 7. Let's see here. 717, remainder is 0, copy this 2. 700, remainder is 2, copy this 6. 7 3 is 21, remainder is 5. Point, keep point and take 0. 7 7 is 49, remainder is 1. Point is there, we can take 0. 7 1 7, so remainder is 3. Leave it. After point 2 digits are enough. So what is the answer? 103.71 centimeter square. Clear children? Surface area of the cone is 103.71 centimeter square. Now let's see one more problem. A medicine capsule is in the shape of a cylinder with two hemispheres stuck to each of its ends. The length of the capsule is 14 millimeter. Mm means children millimeter, and the width is 5 millimeter. Find its surface area. He is talking about capsule, children. Capsule shape will be in this shape. That means one cylinder and two end base and top of the cylinder is nothing but we are attaching hemisphere. So we got combined figure of two hemisphere and one cylinder is nothing but capsule. Clear children? So what information he has given? Width of the capsule. Width is nothing but this. Width is nothing but this. So this is the diameter. So width of the capsule is nothing but diameter of the capsule. He has given 5 millimeter. With diameter we can find the radius. So r is d by 2. It's 5 by 2. You can leave here only, or you can say 2.5 millimeter. If you divide 5 and 5 by 2, you will get 2.5 millimeter. Clear children? Here I did not divide. Let's see. Height of the capsule also he mentioned 14 millimeter. Length is nothing but children. This is the length. Length is nothing but height only. Clear? So surface area, SA means surface area. Surface area of capsule is nothing but 2 into curved surface area of hemisphere. 2 hemisphere is there, that's why 2 into curved surface. Again the question is why we are finding curved surface only, why not total? Because base circular part, cylinder base circular part attached to the hemisphere circular part. Clear? So that's why only curved part will come. Plus curved surface area of cylinder. So 2 into curved surface area of hemisphere formula is 2 pi r square plus cylinder formula is 2 pi rh. Clear children? So 2 into pi is 22 by 7 into r is 5 by 2 into 5 by 2. R square is there, that's why 2 times. Plus 2 into pi is 22 by 7 into r is 5 by 2 into h is 14. Clear children? Here we can cancel 2 ones, 2 ones. Again 2 ones, 2 ones. So remaining thing is 22 into 5 divided by 7 plus 7 1 7 7. No, here we are no need to cancel children, because easily we will get 7 in denominator. 2 ones 2, 2 ones 2 we are cancelling. 7 and 14 we are keeping as it is. So remaining thing is 22 into 5 into 14 divided by 7 millimeter square. Clear? So 5 into 5 25, 25 into 22 is 550 divided by 7 plus 5 into 22 into 14, if you multiply you will get 1540 divided by 7. Denominators are same children, so directly we can add the numerator. Clear? If you add 550 plus 1540, 0 plus 0 0, 5 plus 4 9, 5 plus 5 10, 1 here 0 here, 1 plus 1 2, 290 by 7 millimeter square. You divide this children. Here I am dividing 2090 divided by 7. 7 2s 14, remainder is 6, copy this 9. 7 9 63, remainder is 6, copy this 0. 7 8 56, remainder is 4. Keep point and take 0, that become 40. 7 5 35, remainder is 5. Point is there, again we can take 0, that become 50. 7 7 49, remainder is 1. So leave that up to 2 decimal points enough, leave the third one. So we got 298.57 millimeter square. So surface area of the capsule is 298.57 millimeter square. Let's see children, one more problem we will solve. That is fourth question. Two cubes, each of volume 64 cubic centimeter, are joined end to end together. Find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. See, two cubes we are joining, so resulting figure we are getting like this. So that become a cuboid. Clear children? So cube volume he mentioned. So we are finding with that side. Volume of cube is 64 cubic centimeter. Volume formula is a cube. So a cube is equal to 64. Correct children? So 64 we can write 4 into 4 into 4. 4 4 16. 16 4 64. Clear? So a cube is nothing but 4 cube. So powers are same. So bases also we can take it as same. So that's why we are taking a equal to 4 centimeter. Clear children? When two cubes join, we will get a cuboid. So length of the cuboid. See here. This is one side of cube A. This is another side of cube So we are getting length of the cuboid. A plus A is nothing but length of the cuboid. This is the breadth, A only, and this is the height, that is also A. So length of the cube is A plus A, 2A, that is equal to 2 into A we have 4. So 2 into 4, 8 centimeter. Breadth of the cuboid is A only, 4 centimeter. Height of the cuboid also A only, side 4 centimeter. Clear children? So surface area of the cuboid is nothing but we are finding here lateral surface area of the cuboid, because when we are keeping the joining two objects here, two surfaces are attaching to each other, so we are getting only four sides. That's why we are finding lateral surface area of cuboid, that is 2h into L plus B. 2 into what is h here children? 4. So 4 into L is 8 plus 4. Clear children? So 2 fours. See here, 8 plus 4 is 12. So 2 into 4 into 12. 2 fours, 8. 8 into 12, 96 centimeter square. So surface area of the resulting cuboid is 96 centimeter square. Understood children? Why we are finding here lateral surface only? As we are attaching, two surfaces are attached to each other, so we will get only lateral surface. So today's your homework is chapter 10 exercise 10.2 question number 2 and 5 you need to solve, and example 7 of this chapter page number 254. Am I clear children?